A new week and a new addition to the vast Tata Nexon lineup. This is the Tata Nexon EV Max Dark. The dark in the name is Tata speak for blacked out touches both outside and inside. But this Nexon EV Max Dark is more than just that, and that's thanks to a very crucial upgrade on the inside. And that big talking point on the inside is this all-new 10.25-inch touchscreen that replaces the old and not very loved 7-inch unit. The touchscreen's larger size alone uplifts the look of things, but size is just one part of the story. And I also really like that the screen is very responsive. Check this out. If you've used the older Tata touchscreen, you'll know that this is a huge improvement. Really nicely done. You get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, all just a click away. Again, very smooth. There is your AQI monitor on the inside, very handy. Tata has also worked in voice commands that accept commands in 6 languages. So let's try it out. Hi Tata. टेम्परेचर कम करो.
जरूर. एसी का टेम्परेचर घटाकर 20 किया जा रहा है.
The rear view camera has also been upgraded, though I'd reserve judgment till we can test it outside. So it's a huge step up in terms of functionality, look, feel, and it really does so much for this car's interior. The good thing is that the screen will eventually come to the Nexon EV Prime and petrol and diesel Nexons as well. Aside from the 10.25-inch touchscreen, the Nexon EV Max Dark also packs in a whole lot else. You get part digital instruments, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, leatherette upholstery for the seats. The front seats also get ventilation. There's auto hold and an electronic parking brake, wireless phone charger, and the all-important sunroof. Hopefully, Tata Motors has also improved the responsiveness of the cool-looking gear selector. We found it slow to move between modes. The Nexon EV Max Dark will be sold only in fully loaded Lux Plus trim. Here's a quick look at all that it packs in. The safety list is long as well, with disc brakes on all 4 wheels, electronic stability control, hill start assist, hill descent control, and more. But the airbag count still stands at 2. The Nexon EV Max gets dual front airbags but no side and curtain airbags, at least for now. And no ADAS features like the larger Harrier and Safari. While the Nexon EV Max hasn't been crash tested by Global NCAP, the standard Nexon was rated 5 stars in the old rating regime. The Nexon EV Max Dark carries the blacked out theme inside as other models in Tata's Dark range, and it all looks good. The leatherette seats feel premium, there's nice textures all around, and the dark colors even help cover up some panel inconsistencies. On the flip side, the cabin doesn't appear as bright and airy as the standard Nexon EVs that use a beige on black theme, though there's no actual difference in space. Space is really good, and the 350-litre boot is also handily large. Outside, the Nexon EV Max Dark is no different to the Nexon EV Prime Dark. Helping distinguish it from the standard Nexon EVs are the midnight black paint, the charcoal grey alloy wheels, blacked out windowsill, darker roof rails, and the dark badging at the side. The Nexon is a great looking compact SUV to start with, and to my eyes, the dark treatment gives it added appeal. In specifications, the Nexon EV Max Dark is no different to the standard Nexon EV Max. A 40.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack under the floor powers a 143 horsepower and 250 Nm electric motor that drives the front wheels. ARAI certified range stands at 453 km, though our test figures revealed a real-world range of 236 km. As standard, the Nexon EV Max gets a 3.3 kW AC charger, and there's an optional 7.2 kW AC wallbox charger version 2. Both accept DC fast charge at up to 30 kW. The battery pack and motor come with an 8-year or 160,000 km warranty. Tata Motors hadn't announced prices for the Nexon EV Max Dark at the time of shooting this video, but expect a markup of 20 to 30,000 rupees over comparable versions of the Max. So what do you think of the Tata Nexon EV Max Dark Edition, and more importantly, what do you think of that touchscreen and what it does for this car? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell icon to be notified every time we have a new video up.